We'll now install the ramps to the rails. The ramps are stamped on the bottom with a D for driver and P for passenger, just like the rails. We'll now slide 2 of the 3/4 inch bolts into the T slot on the end of the rail. And then grabbing the passenger ramp labeled P, we're going to slide that over the rail bolts. Make sure the vertical leg of the ramp is towards the rail cross piece. We'll slide the ramp back so that the slanted portion of the ramp is lined up with the open end of the rail notch. Then take your 1/4 inch nut, snug this end down first, making sure that that stays lined up with the open end of the rail notch. Do not over tighten. And once we have the angled leg snug down, we can then go to the vertical leg, put the 7/16 nut on there, and then snug this down. Again, do not over tighten. We'll then repeat the process on the driver's side.